People who have dream careers in which they grow year after year, earning better than average, careers where they lead people and are respected by their teams for their leadership, careers where they are valued by their companies so much that they will do anything to keep them. Who are these people? What do they look like? Why do they work? And most importantly, how did they become so successful in their careers? Hey there, welcome to BookTok, a channel that brings you the practical ideas from world-class researchers and respected leaders of the world, helping you to become the best version of yourself. If this is something you like, consider subscribing to the channel. Today's book, So Good They Can't Ignore You, is written by Cal Newport. Cal is enjoying a very successful career himself as a professor teaching computer science while also having the time to write 6 best-selling books about productivity and excellence. In this video, I'll share 3 very specific strategies to start, build and sustain a dream career which serves you for life. Let's get started. A common advice that you must have heard about having a successful career is that you should do something that you are passionate about. But this is a terrible advice for 2 reasons. One, most people are passionate about things which don't lead to great career opportunities. You may be passionate about writing poems, drinking beer or watching movies, but there are too many companies out there offering well-paying jobs to do these things. And second reason, let's just say you like writing. But to write any good, you have to do a lot of other important things. Activities like brainstorming topics which people care about, doing extensive research, then comes writing. We're not done yet. The most important part is still pending. Editing. Slow, painstaking editing that polishes what you have written and makes it shine. All these different activities come attached to the job of writing. You may be passionate about writing, but for writing to be a fulfilling career, you have to be extremely good at all these activities. What if you're not passionate for all of them? What happens then? Truth is, you can't just depend on being passionate about an activity to have a great career, because you almost always will have a lot of different activities to be great at creating something which people value. So what's the alternate? Don't just search for things that you love, but love what you do, because with this mindset you can master anything. This makes you stand out and different from those who keep looking for something that they are passionate about, and this approach lays a solid foundation for the next stage of your career. Stage 2. Compare a clerk, a manager and a brain surgeon. Who do you think is valued more? It is brain surgeon. Can you guess why? Rarer the skill, the more valuable you become. Now, it's not that you have to be a brain surgeon, but you need to consciously cultivate rare skills in your field. Select the top 2-3 skills in your chosen field and get so good at them that it looks like you have a natural talent. It will take an enormous amount of routine of practice, and you will have to do this intense skill building routine day after day, week after week, month after month. You do this as long as it takes. While it feels like a lot of work, but I promise you the rewards are for lifetime. Once you master one skill, it's time to repeat the entire process once again. Mastering one skill makes you good. Master 2 and you become incredibly talented. And with 3 top-class skills, you become world-class. This brings us to the third and final strategy of having a dream career. Once you have collected rare skills, you're already worth your weight in gold. You have made yourself recession-proof. No matter how bad the times, organizations need talent like you. In fact, it is the time companies will lure you with more money, better positions and more power just to keep you involved and make most of your talent. And there's nothing bad with continuing to move up the corporate ladder if that's what you choose. But if your idea of dream job is to have control over your time, now is the time to negotiate that control, and your organization will give you this control rather than risk losing you to a competitor. In a nutshell, this entire process of getting good at your craft not only takes you to the top league, but also gives you power to have more control and options in your life. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. My mission with this channel is to inspire you to learn from the best minds of the world. Any challenge you ever face, there is some research, some solution out there. You just have to read the right book and speak to the right person.